disturbing both of you?
Oh, no, no, no. Do you want to just chat in my room? Let's go.
When will she leave?
Mama.
I'll let Full Pay come and get her.
What's the matter?
Do you want some water?
No, we're fine, thanks. I think we'll break up soon if we decided to continue. Poupée used to be so casual and offhand, but he never bothered me when we had a fight. But I'm a girl. I can't go to him first. What should I do now? Momo, give me an idea.
Have you had a bath yet?
I bathed in the dorm before.
But we're so
Momo.
tired. I want to shower.
What's that?
Nothing, nothing. Continue your talk.
What should I do now? I passed by the court today. I thought it was him. But it's actually my illusion. Never mind.
What are you doing? What's wrong with you? Ooh.
What's wrong with your neck?
It's a little cold.
I'll close the balcony door.
No need. Not because of the wind.
I'll close it.
I just stood in front of the fridge too long. The sound of the closing door will make Shanshan wake.
Oh,
Will she go back to the university tomorrow?
Huh?
Will she leave tomorrow?
I don't know. Didn't she fight with Fu Pei?
I'll get Fu Pei to pick her up then.
Wouldn't it be nice for us to do this?
I'm Gu Wei Yi.
I'm Situ Mo.
Are you too sick? Why are you calling me at night? Crosstalk?
Shanshan's here.
What's she doing there? So far, I thought she has...
Come and pick her up now.
Gosh. Don't listen to him. Shanshan's asleep. I just wanted to tell you that she looks upset.
Pick her up in the early morning.
Can't you just be a little tactful?
I was tactful.
Is that called tactful?
Of course.
What about with no tact?
Your girlfriend is at my house. It's annoying.